Today I'm talking about the calculus quotient rule. There needs to be a T at the end of quotient. I'm going to run this a lot like the product rule that we did a couple days ago. So I'm going to teach it as far as the letters go, and then I'm going to show you what it is as far as an example, and kind of sparse it out over 2 days. So yeah. Okay, so the quotient rule, it's very similar to the product rule. And I'll show you a trick probably at the end. Yeah, I'll show you it here. I'll show you the trick here of if you don't want to do the product rule, or if you don't want to do the quotient rule, then you can use the product rule and just invert the second piece that's on the bottom to a -1 power on the outside and do the chain rule, which the chain rule will be coming out in a couple days. Okay, so quotient rule and letters. So let's say we have G, and we want G prime. So we take the dy dx of G prime, and so the letters look like this: f prime G minus, this is the big one, f G prime, and then all over G squared. So there's the product rule. We'll look back. Right, so if we want the dy dx of f over G, we're going to run it through this thing. And so f prime G minus f G prime over G squared. I just wrote the same thing twice. You kind of need to memorize both of these so that way when you're taking a derivative, then you can use both these tricks and they're both in your bag. Because when you move on, you need this skill. Okay. And then one other trick is, so you have this situation, the f over G. You could rewrite this as f times G to the -1, and then you have to do the chain rule, which I'll get into soon. Thanks for watching.